the 4th grade worksheet lesson 1. So we're going to go over a few problems about addition and subtraction, and then we're going to move on to place values, and then finish off with some word problems. So starting off with addition and subtraction, let's look at number 2 here. We have 35 plus 53. So we have 35 and then 53. So when you do addition, you want to first look at the ones place, and we have a 3 and a 5. And so that equals 8. Then we look at the tens place, which is 5 and 3, and it equals 8. So therefore the answer will be 88. And then let's look at number 4, 59 plus 27. We have 5, 9 plus 2, 7. Again, we look at the ones place. 9 plus 7 is 16. And instead of ignoring that 10, we bring it over here. We add a 10 here. And so we have 5 plus 2 plus 1, which is 7, 8, which you get 86. Then we are going on to number 7. We have 33, 44, and 55. So there's no difference in adding another number. We just keep on looking at the ones place. And so it'll be 3, 4, and 5. 7, and then we have 7 and then plus 5, which is equal to 12. We don't forget to bring over the 10. So we add the 10 here. And it'll be 3, 4, 7, 12, 13, 132. Then let's move on to some subtraction. Let's look at number 2. Again, we're going to look at the ones place first before going on to the tens place or hundreds place. And see that since 8 is bigger than 2, it can go in, and it'll be 6. And then 5 can go into 2, and it'll be 3, and you get 36. Now let's look at number 3. So we have 76 minus 69. We look at the ones place first, and we see that the 6 cannot subtract into the 9 since it's too small. And so what we had to do is take 10 from 6 here. We make this 16. And this is no different than 76. It's the same thing. But we have 16 minus 9, which is 7. And then 6 minus 6 is 0. And we have the total answer of 7. Now let's move on to like another example of this. Number 6. We have 103 minus 17. Once again, the 3 is too small and can't subtract into the 7. And then we look one more place and look at the 0. But we can't have 0 going into the here, which is does nothing there. So we go to the hundreds place. And then we come here. We turn this 1 into a 0. We turn this 0 into a 10. Then we take 1 for the 3. And we turn this into a 9. And we turn this into a 13. Then we do 13 minus 7, which is 6. Then we do 9 minus 1, which is 8, with the total being 86. Now we're going to move on to some place values. So we're looking at the bolded number and seeing if it's in the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000, 100,000, or million. So look at number 1. So we have 342. So we have hundreds place, tens place, and then the ones place. So it would be the ones place. Let's look at number 4. We have 54,183,092. We have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000, then 100,000. So it'd be 100,000. 100,000. And then let's move on to the different question. Let's look at number 5. We have the number 128,276. So like we said, ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousand place, 10,000, 100,000. And since the 8 is bolded, we know it's a thousands place. Since it's 8,000. It's pretty simple. Now let's move on to some word problems. So Kartika has $44.29 in her pocket. If she's only carrying dollar bills, dimes, and pennies, and she has less than 10 of each, how many dimes is she carrying? So a dime is 10 cents, a dollar bill is $1 or 100 cents, and penny is 1 cent. So we have 20. So let's look at the place, and it's a 10th place here, right? And since this is 2, it will be 2 dimes. Since it's 20, 2 times 10 is 20. And we have 400, right? We have 400, and if it's in the 400th place and it's 4, we know it's $4. Since $4 will equal $4 bills will equal $4. And then let's see how many pennies. We look at the ones place, since a cent is 1, and it'll be 9. So in total, we have $4, 20 cents, and 9 cents, which equals $4.29. Let's look at number 3. Anna has 253 balls, Brian has 0 balls, and then Cameron has 2 balls. How many balls do they have in total? So we have 253, 0, and 2. So in total, they will have 255. Since we do 3 plus 2 at the end, and we just add 2 more, there you go, 255. So how many balls do Anna and Brian have combined? If Brian has 0 balls and Anna has 253 balls, they will have Anna's 253 balls. And then we have how many balls do Anna and Cameron have? So Anna has 253 balls, and then Cameron has 2 balls. So in total will equal 255 again. Then let's move on to if Cameron has 0 balls, Cameron has 2 balls, and then Brian has 0 balls. And again, it would just be 2 balls. Alright, that's it for lesson 1, grade 4 worksheet. And have a good day.